G'day. Last night somebody on YouTube called KiwiZZ or Kiwis, whatever, asked me about the airline plumbing for my snorkel. So I'll give you a quick tour of how it's done. It's pretty straightforward. Right, so the main airline for the snorkel goes directly through the guard there. You're supplied with a couple of elbows. I used one fits perfectly over the snorkel airline and bends that way, so the line goes along the guard. You also provided some flexi tube, so the flexi tube is hose clamped around that elbow, comes along the guard and comes out the existing hole. So the bit that I removed, the OEM bit that I removed, comes through this hole and it's just hose clipped around the airbox. So you rip that out and you can see my flexi hose comes through the guard and it's hose clipped onto the airbox.